I was part of this company from the age of 16 years. This year AF Terrio is celebrating 80 years. It's a milestone year. It's the beginning of 80 years of boat building and repair in rural Nova Scotia, in Clare, Meteghan River, Lebut, dans la municipalité de Clare. We employ 225 people. We carry our full certification for building steel and aluminum vessels. Also, on the fiberglass construction side, we use advanced composite technologies that move us forward in technology into the boat building. At AF Terrio, we have, fortunately, we have the capabilities of doing internal training to improve when we have safety training. We do in our own classroom that we're going to have in our new facility. That's going to allow us multiple avenues when we have new innovative products that people want to come and show us. It allows us to show our employees and educate them on the new products that are out there. And also when we have safety features that we want to talk safety and have our safety meetings and our safety discussions. The innovation part of our company and what we do with the people that we hire, and it starts, from the ground up. The people that do the lamination of the fiberglass boats, that tack the first plates when the steel shows up to build the steel boats, and also on the same token with the aluminum side. It starts, from there. Prior to the steel or the fiberglass arriving, there's a lot of detail that get involved with our engineering team, especially with the new technologies that either they learn in school or they get trained on, such as different AutoCAD systems or Rhino systems that have 3D modeling, that we can pretty much sit with our clients prior to even beginning the building of the boat, and you can go through step-by-step Rhino renderings of the vessel that you can see pretty much what you're going to get at the end product. So the technology allows us to start on paper and then build, and at the end of the day have a fishing vessel, commercial ferry. We do a lot of work for aquaculture on the new construction and the repair side also, which is a new market for us, and it's just opening multiple different doors. The modernization of the equipment is going to, permit them to work with, they've gone to school or trade school and learn. Will be able to use the same equipment, I guess, for the most part, what they do there. The oldest building at AF Terrio is the Meteghan River Schoolyard. The Meteghan River Schoolyard is the building that we now have what we call our propeller shop. So Gus, my grandfather, went to school in this building, and after times and opening the shipyard and making the shipyard thrive, he bought the school and made a welding shop. And now like I said, we have a propeller shop. So the oldest building here is our propeller shop. What's involved is pretty much dedication. What with the staff and the people working at our facility, the dedication and I guess being proud of what we accomplish at the end of the day is very important for us. What people see when they're driving down the road, or when they pull in, or they come with their boats, they see a lot of I guess people working hard day to day. It doesn't happen easily. The surprising factor for boat building in Nova Scotia is that at our company we have a turnkey operation, that we get a contract, we negotiate a contract, we get the contract, and we do the whole thing ourselves, other than minor parts and pieces. But 90% of the vessel gets built, fabricated, launched, sea trial, ready to go fishing or on to its job by our staff at AF Terrio. And to achieve that doesn't come lightly. It's a lot of hard work. keeping in mind that we are in rural Nova Scotia, so it's surprising that we can do it all, that we can keep all the trades and all the tradesmen hired on staff. Our company, where we are located in southwestern Nova Scotia, is somewhat occasionally challenging to get people, because of our work pool is not grand to pick from. So the people that are from our area, right, that come to work every day, we work hard to find them work that reflects back on their loyalty towards the company, and the loyalty that they bring towards AF Terrio allows them to have longevity in their employment. Some of our people here have been, working with us for 35 years, 37 years, 40 years. It's almost incredible when you think about the amount of years that they've devoted to the company. But on the same token, the company does work quite closely with them.